Hey there, Logan here, professional barista for MajestyCoffee.com, and today I'm here unboxing the Spaziale S1 Vivaldi 2. Let's get started. Okay, so here it is, and even though it looks quite big on my bar setup, this machine is quite compact, and I'm really excited to break into this box, and I'm really impressed that all of these features actually fit into a box like this and is easy enough to lift up onto my bar. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so we've got our first box open. There's one more inside, so gonna set that on the ground and lift this one back up. All right, so here's that next box within. Let's break into this. I feel like there could be some fun repurposement for these sponge things. Kitchen sponge? So here's our view inside that box. Just gonna set this on the ground and lift our rig back up onto the bar. So after sifting through a lot of different couch pillow-esque type packaging, here we are finally with the Vivaldi 2. A really nice, heavy, durable machine. Really superior packaging here. All right, let's keep going. Man, giving this as a holiday gift, someone's gonna have a joy of a time unpacking it. I know I just had quite a blast there. I see already we have our adapter so you can plug it into your kitchen. So if you're using it on the 15, the machine's gonna switch between the two boilers, which it does have a system built in that enables it to do just that quite efficiently, and you shouldn't notice too much of a difference there between the 15 and 20. But if you're using it in a cafe, you're gonna wanna hardwire it for the 20 amps so you can use both boilers simultaneously. We have the fuse in here. Wonderful articulating steam wand over here with the 4-hole tip. I'm really excited to use that. Down below here, we've got this nice package tucked in here, which I assume is gonna be our accessories. Super heavy box. They really give you a lot of accessories with this one. We've got our power cord here. Nice, pretty long cable there. Our hot water valve down here. It looks like tucked away in the drip tray is gonna be your line in. Let's just pull that out here. So there's that, so you can plumb this in. This machine can only be directly plumbed in. So the S1 Vivaldi 2 is gonna be a dual boiler machine. It's got this articulating steam wand, this really nice group with this really great heating element there that helps you control the heat. We've got volumetrics up here. We've got programmable pre-infusion. Down below there is that dual pressure gauge, one showing you your steam tank, and then the other one monitoring your lined in pump pressure, which will show you the bars of pressure when you're extracting a shot, which is a really cool feature, especially for a machine of this price point. Pretty unheard of. I'm pretty stoked about that. So this machine is directly plumbed in, but you do have to empty the drip tray, which is okay because it's quite big and will hold a lot of water. Let's get into this packaging here and see all of our accessories included. We've got a tamp, which you're gonna wanna upgrade, but it will be nice to hang on to this when you first get this machine. As this machine uses a 53mm portafilter and group head, it might be a good idea to hang on to this plastic tamp at first, though you really should consider upgrading, and there's a whole range of products available for 53mm groups, so there's no problem there. We've got a little dosing scoop here, probably won't use that. We've got two portafilters in here, really solid heavy build, a single and a double. A really nice solid heavy duty wire brush for you to clean the machine. This is a really nice gift. Included in this little bag is going to be a rubber stopper for back flushing, which you may also consider upgrading to a metal one. A tool for removing your screen, an extra gasket here, which is a wonderful addition. And then we also have two extra screens in here as well. Really quite the superior accessory package here. As stated before, pretty unheard of to receive all of these extras with the home machine. This is a really nice addition from Spaziale. So some technical specs with this machine is that it can run on your standard 110 volt outlet. We have the adapter so you can choose the 15 or the 20 amps. It's got a 1250 watt heater, a 2.5 liter steam boiler. We've got a rotary pump inside here, so very quick, efficient, and also should be a bit quieter than your standard vibratory home pumps. The 53 millimeter group and portafilter. This is also an NSF rated machine. You can adjust the group temperature, which is a really cool feature that I'm very excited to try out. It's got adjustable offset differential, an adjustable pre-infusion that comes directly from being lined in, so you can go between 0 and 8 seconds. The ability to turn your boiler on and off for the steaming. Full programmable volumetrics up front here. We also have this great articulating steam wand, as mentioned before, with a 4-hole steam tip. This is going to produce amazing microfoam. We have those dual pressure gauges down below, as mentioned before. Really nice cup warmer up top here where you can set your cups. These really great, just classic knob here for steaming, and these buttons which are really easy and soft to the touch. Really nice to use and quick to learn. Overall, just a really simple, classic design with a ton of extra features. So I'm really excited to get this plugged in and fired up, get it plumbed in, and start brewing espresso on it. So stay tuned for our full review coming on the Spaziale S1 Vivaldi 2. That should be coming soon, as well as a number of other really good informative videos for you coming your way. Please like this video, comment any questions you may have, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on those upcoming videos. After that, head to majestycoffee.com to check out the S1 Vivaldi 2 and many more home and commercial espresso machines and grinders. Our friendly customer support is standing by via phone or live chat to help you make the right decision. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.